The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, is like the superhero of public health in the US. Its mission? To protect us from diseases, injuries, and health threats. Think of it as the nation's immune system, fighting off everything from measles to bird flu, and even keeping an eye on why your breakfast eggs cost so much lately. Measles making a comeback. Measles, that super contagious virus we thought was nearly gone, has been staging a comeback. Thanks to slipping vaccination rates, outbreaks have popped up in communities across the country. The CDC is on the case, pushing vaccines, tracking cases, and reminding everyone that shots aren't just for kids, they're for keeping entire communities safe. Tuberculosis, TB, still kicking. TB, an old-school bacterial infection that mostly hits the lungs, is still around and causing trouble. Recent outbreaks have flared up in areas with limited healthcare access. The CDC is working overtime to track cases, provide treatment, and stop the spread. It's a reminder that even diseases we think are history can come back if we let our guard down. Bird flu and the Great Egg Crisis. Now, let's talk about bird flu, avian influenza. This nasty virus has been wreaking havoc on poultry farms, leading to the culling of millions of chickens and turkeys. Fewer chickens mean fewer eggs, and fewer eggs mean higher prices at the grocery store. Thanks, bird flu. The CDC is monitoring the situation to prevent human infections and help farmers recover, but in the meantime, your omelette just got more expensive. Vaccines, the real MVPs. All this drama highlights why vaccines are so important. They're not just for measles. Vaccines protect us from a whole lineup of diseases that could come roaring back if we get complacent. Whooping cough, polio, mumps, these aren't just old-timey illnesses. Without vaccines, they could make a comeback, and nobody wants that. In short, the CDC is our frontline defense against health threats, from measles and TB to bird flu and beyond. And while bird flu might be messing with your egg budget, it's a reminder that public health is about more than just staying healthy. It's about keeping our food, our communities, and our future safe. So, roll up your sleeve for that vaccine, and maybe consider oatmeal if eggs are too pricey. Stay healthy, folks, and like and subscribe.